6 steps to catch more opt-ins than ever before. Remember that when you have new visitors at your website, your number one goal is to get them on your ezine list. That way you have permission to contact them again and again, educating them about your helpful services and products that they came to learn more about. But you can't just put up a link that says free newsletter. No one cares. You need to carefully craft an opt-in box that works like a big net, catching the exact type of fish you want as your ideal clients and customers. Also remember, don't hide your box at the bottom of your web pages. Right now, most testing shows that the best place for your opt-in box is the upper right corner, loud and proud. Here are 6 simple things you should have in your opt-in box that will help you get more signups than ever before. 1. An attention-getting headline. Remember that online readers skim copy, they don't read it word for word. So the headline in your opt-in box may be the only thing they read, which determines whether they sign up or not. So don't waste this space saying something like free newsletter or even worse, sign up for our mailing list. Instead, tell me the most exciting thing your ezine will give me. Examples. Are you ready to blast off your sales this year? Finally, learn how to keep that weight off for good insider secrets to writing novels for big bucks. 2. A raving description of your ezine. Work hard at putting together a description of your ezine that gets prospects excited to sign up. Remember they're tuned into station WIIFM, what's in it for me? Tell them what your information is going to do for them as well as everything they get. Examples: how-to articles, quick and easy tips, free resources, insider secrets. Aim for your description to be between 15 and 30 words. 3. A field to enter their first name. Getting people's names along with their emails allows you to personalize your ezine for them. For example, if I was on your list, your email would come to me saying, "Dear Ollie," the subject line could even say, "Ollie, here's your free tip." Why do you want to do this? Studies prove that having the recipient's name in the subject line of your emails can increase your open rates by 60%. The problem is, many people value their privacy and are hesitant to give you their full name. For this reason, just ask for their first name. It's been proven that you'll get more names from people if you only ask for the first name. And their first name is generally all you'll need anyway. 4. A field to enter their primary email address. Many people have a backup or personal email address that they use just for receiving online newsletters and promotions. The problem is they are often from free email services like Yahoo or Hotmail. These services filter email like crazy, and their mailboxes fill up quickly, so there's a good chance your emails won't even reach these recipients. The solution is, simply ask for their primary email. It's amazing, but simply asking them to enter their primary email will get you more quality emails on your list. You'll also get less bounce backs from undeliverable emails. If you get too many of those, it raises a red flag to some spam filter programs. 5. A button that says subscribe or sign me up now. Make it very clear what they should click on to activate their subscription once they type in their name and email. Don't use something confusing like a link that says submit form. 6. Your privacy policy, right then and there. Everyone's scared to receive more spam these days, so put your prospects at ease. Don't make them wonder what you're going to do with their email addresses. State right next to or below your opt-in form what your policy is. Mine is, we will never sell, rent, trade, or share your email with any other organization. Feel free to use that yourself. Don't make people click on a link to read your privacy policy. It looks like you have something to hide. In fact, in some US states, it's now required that you state your privacy policy right at the point of opt-in, so it's a good idea no matter where you do business.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.